Welcome to the first video for producing toolpaths within Artcam Express 2011. Just going to click here on toolpaths, and here you can see all of the toolpaths that are available. I've created a sign here called Captain Tex, and it's for a deep sea fishing business. What I'm going to do is basically just cut this piece straight out. So I'll click here, create profile toolpath, and I'll just tab this onto the right hand side. Press Ctrl A just to select all the vectors, and the profile is going to be along the outside. Make sure it is selected vectors. The material thickness, I'm going to change that from 13, so make it 6mm thick, and OK that. The finished depth is going to be 6mm, which is right the way through the material. The profiling tool, I'm going to use a 1.5mm end mill. This is only going to be made from plastic, so I'll be able to cut this fine, and I'll select that. And I'll just make sure that the step down here is not too high, just to reduce the risk of the cutter from breaking. Close that and click calculate now. And there you can see it's cut all of the parts out there. The red lines are the toolpaths. If I just close the profiling down, right click here, click simulate all toolpaths, or I could click here for the icon, simulate all toolpaths. That's given me a simulation.